Hello, this is John here. We are going in the class 2 here. Class 2 is about series of 9. In Vedic mathematics, we have finished class 1 as series of 1. Here, class 2, we are seeing about a series of 9. The series of 9 will be dealing with what is the numbers here we are having, what is it is 9, triple 9, so double 9, triple 9, etc. Right? So the class 1 we are seeing about 1, double 1, triple 1 like that. So it's a series of 9 here. So the series of 9 will be having here, what is that is, will dealing with 3 cases here, correct? If it is coming equal, if it is more 9s, if it is less 9s. So there are 3 cases here. So first we go with the case A. So case A, so case A, that is case 1, I go with the what is that is equal cases of 9. So what is going to be equal cases of 9? So if you are having 3-digit number here, so suppose I am putting an example here, it is 732 into what is that is triple 9. So the above number here it is 3-digit here. So the below number is triple 9, correct sir? So if we are having 3-digit, we are dealing with 3-digit here, we are dealing with 3-digit here, right? So we are saying it is a equal number of digits. So when you are having like this, you have to follow this step like that. What is that is 732 is a number here and the triple 9 is the number there. We are having 3-digit numbers here, right? So when you are having lesser numbers or lesser nines or more nines, we will go with the next method we are going to follow, correct? So here there are 3 digits 1, 2, 3, 7, 3, 2. So 3 digits. Here it is 999. Triple 9 is 3-digit number. Yeah, so how we can do this sum? Very easily in a single step with the Vedic mathematics we are going to see. So first we are having here it is 732. Just subtract one number from this one. Minus 1. That's all. 732 minus 1 is what is that is it is 731. Am I right? 731. So now just you subtract every number with a 9. What we got the numbers here? Now 731. So 9 minus 7 is what is it is? It is 2. Next 9 minus 3 is it is 6. 9 minus 1 is it is 8. So we got the answer in a single step. So again I repeat this method here. We are dealing with equal number of series of 9, right? So we are having 3-digit number here. We are having three digits of 9 here, right? So we have just subtract 1 from the above number. 732 minus 1 is 731. Just we put a number here with the front side. Then we subtract 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6 and 9 minus 1 is 8. That's all. We got the answer as 731268. Okay, it's very easy. Am I right, sir? So when you are doing in a school method, it will be more difficult to multiply this both numbers. So we get in a single step result in a Vedic mathematics. So Vedic mathematics is a powerful tool to multiply each and every number and addition, everything you can do in a easy way. So I go with a bigger example here. The bigger example is I take this one as triple 889 or into what is that is 9999. So the above number is having 4 digits here now. Now the below number is also having 9 series of 4 digits. So here, so we do go with the first method here. What is the equal methods? So here 8889. Just subtract 1 from that. So what is that is? It is 888. So 8. So 8889 minus 1 is 8888. Okay, next 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 8 is 1. So we got the answer for this one. So 8889 into 9999 will be giving the answer as 88881111. Okay, so we go for now the case B. What is the case B says here is we deal about more number of nines. What is meant by more? So here the nines are more. Suppose I take an example here. What is it is? It is 65 into what is that is triple 9. Here I can't say, correct? It is a 65 is a 2-digit number, correct? Here triple 9 is a 3-digit number, correct? Just we want to follow the same method here, but we have to make this 65 as a 3-digit number. So if you are putting the 0 before after this 5 means it will be changing into 650. That answer will be wrong, right? So you put the 0 before the 6 here, right? And make it as a 3-digit number. So it is 065. Here it is 999, right? Now just subtract the first number as we followed the previous step, correct? So we make it as a same digits here, same set of digits. So here it is 1 2 3 3 digits, here 1 2 3, then we make it as a minus 1. So 065 minus 1 is 064. Next here as usual we do here 9 minus 0. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, right? We got the answer 64,935 is our answer. Okay, so within a single step we can get the answer here in Vedic mathematics. So now we go with the same method here, the more nines method. We go with the next sum here, 194 into, I take this one as what is that is 9999. Here it is 4 digits, here it is only 3 digits here. So here I just put a 0 here, 0194. Just we subtract 1 from this one, the top part. So it is 0193. Next we subtract each and every terms with a 9. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we got the answer as 1939806. So we are clear about these two methods here. Equal, if it is digits are equal, we can do like this. The digits are not equal, if it is nines or more, we put a 0 before this 2-digit number and make it as a 3-digit number. Then we do as usual method, just subtract from this one minus 1. Then you just subtract 9 minus 0, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 4, we get the answer as 935. Okay, so now we are dealing with what is that is case C. So the case C will be seeing about what is that is, if we have dealt with what is that is equal numbers and more nines, correct? Now we deal with what is the lesser number of nines, correct? So lesser means the number above will be more. What is that is? Now we go with the case C. Case C is what is that is lesser number of nines. So we will be having less. Suppose we are having the number is bigger, we are dealing with only nines are lesser than. It's the case C method. So how we can do this one? So lesser nines means the number. I take an example number like this. So it is 205 into what is that is, here the nines are lesser, correct? There is no specific term or the specific method to solve in this Vedic maths, correct? But we can do in a easier way here. Another way here is we can put this 99 as what is that is 100 minus 1. Am I right? We can put this 99 as 100 minus 1. Now the multiplication will be more easier. So we are going to multiply this 205 into 100. Then we have to multiply this 205 into 1. So first we are multiplying this 205 into 100. So we just here put this one, the after this 5 we'll put this one as 20500. That's all. So multiplying 100 is very easy. So we get the answer as 20500. Then we have to subtract. So subtract here. So 205 into 1 is 205. Correct? So just we subtract here. So we can't subtract 0 minus 5. We will go with the usual school method here. So I can take here it is 4, here it is 10. Again I can take carry what is that is borrow from this one. It makes us 9. So it takes us 10 here. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus nothing is here. So 0. So nothing is there. So 2. So the answer for this question is 205 into 999 is 20295. So again I repeat this one. There is no specific method for this to solve in Vedic mathematics. If it is lesser nines, We will be having some base method, or in the future we are going to see. But this type of methods we are doing with this series of 9, we will be going with the same thing here. So 205, just we multiply by 100, next subtract by what is that is 205 into 1, that is will get the answer. So when you are getting 205 into 100, just we put a zeros, double zeros here in the back side of the numbers here. So 205, two numbers here, right? So next one is 20500 minus, we are subtracting this 205. So as usual we will do, it means we get the answer as 20295. Okay, this is easy. The Vedic Maths gives you all the steps here. Okay, we can even generally have how to solve this one for any series of numbers. Okay, so now we deal with any series. How we can change any sum into this, like this method, triple nine and triple one or double one, series of 1 or series of 9, and we can solve this sums very easily. Before that, I want to explain you some of the things here. What is that is? Suppose I am putting here 5, 2s are 10. Right? I can multiply here 2 and divide by 2. The same value will be remaining, correct? If I am multiplying this 5 with 2 and dividing, so one term I am multiplying this with 2 and divide this one by 2, correct? So 5 into 2 is 10 into 2 divided by 2 is 1. Again I get the answer, same answer, 10. So this is the method I am going to do here, but I am going to follow in this any series method. So again I go with, if it is not clear, again I go with the next example here. Suppose I am taking here 10 3s are, it is 30. Okay, just we are going to multiply this one by 3, so we get the answer as 30 and divide this same number with the 3. So we get the answer as 30 into 1 is equal to again 30. Right? The same what is that is a method you are going to deal with any sum of what is that is multiplication and change into series of 1s and 9. So here we are going here, or I take an example here, it is 302 in 301 into triple 2, correct? So I want to change this triple 2 into triple 1, correct? So I multiply this term with the 2 and divide this term with 2, right? You will got the answer. So it is very easy, correct? If you have to multiply, so 2 3s are 6, 2 into 0 0, 2 ones are 2. So it is 602 into what is that is triple 2 divided by 2 is triple 1, right? If you are getting the answer for this sum, then the same answer will be for this sum, correct? So for any series of numbers, we can use this series of 1 series of 1 and series of 9, correct? Okay, so what we got here is 602 into triple 1. We are going to multiply now. So if you didn't see the first class of my video, you have to check for this method, triple 1 method, a series of 1 method. So 602 into triple 1. So there are 3 ones are here, so you have to put here 2 dashes before and 2 dashes after. So now you have to add each and every term. What is that is 3 pairs. Okay, so 2 plus dash is 2. Again 0 plus 2 plus dash is 2. Again 6 plus 0 plus 2 is next pair. So 6 7 8, so it is 8. Again what is that is dash plus 6 plus 0, you'll be getting here, it is 6. What is that is next one is dash plus 6 is, you'll get the answer as 6. So what we got the answer as 66822. Okay, ma? So we got the answer for this question. It is 66822. Okay, like this you can go for the next sum here. 108 into what is that is 333. I go for the next example. The next example is here we have to change this 333 into what is that 333 into 111, correct? Divided by 3 we do here. Next one is we have to divide this one by 3, so you have to multiply this one by 3, correct? So what we got the answer? So 108, so 3 8s are 24. So we are having here 2, so 3 into 0 is 0, so 2 will be carried on. So next one is 3 ones are 3. So we got the answer as 324. So just you have to multiply 324 into, we are dividing this one by 3, so it is 111. Okay, so we are getting the answer as 324 into 111. So when you are doing this sum, we will get the answer. So we will get the answer for this one. Correct? So any number of series we can do here the same answer. So we go with the same here. So series of 1 here. So it is 324 into 111. So we have to put here 3 ones are here, 1 1 1. So you have to put here 2 dashes, 2 dashes. Next one is, here since there are 3 ones here, you have to go with 3 pairs. So 4 plus dash is, what is that is? It is 4. Next one is 2 plus 4 plus dash is 2, 4, 5, 6 dash. So it is 6 here. Again I go for the next pair. So 3 plus 2 plus 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Next one is dash plus 3 plus 2. Next pair. So dash plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Again dash plus 3. So dash plus 3 is 3. So we got the answer for this question. So what is it? It is 35964. Okay. Now we go for the next question here is, what is it? Is 330 into 333. So whether we can make it as a series of 1 or make it as a series of 9. Okay. So here we go with, what is it? Is we divide this first term with 3. What we get the answer? It is 110. So now the next term we multiply by 3, so that we get, what is it? Is it is 999. Okay. Now we go with the series 9 option here. Series 9 we will dealing with, what is that is? It is 110. So 110 means let us subtract 1. So it is 109. Then I had to subtract each and every term with 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So we got the answer as 109890. Correct? So we can even change this any series of numbers into series of 1 or series of 1 or series of 9, and we make it as, okay. If you are putting the same example for series of 1, I am putting and checking for this one. So we will get the answer as 330 into 333. Okay. Now I divide this term by 3 and make it as a 111 term. Correct. So since I am dividing this by 3, I have to multiply this one by 3. Correct. Correct. What do we get the answer? Here it is 990. Correct. So since we are having here 111, we have to go with the series of 1 method. So and solve this problem. So what we got the answer here is 990 here 111. Okay. We have to multiply. Since there are 3 numbers here, we have to put 2 dashes before and after. Correct. So you have to, here having 3 ones here. So we will be having, you have to add 3 pairs. So 0 plus dash is, what is that is? It is 0. Next one is 9 plus 0 plus dash is, here it is 9. Next one is 9 plus 0 at next pair. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. So you have to put here 8 and carry this 1 here beside. Next one is 1 dash plus 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 here on carry on is there. So 19. So 9 will come here. So I cancel this 9 and put a 1 here. Correct. Next one is the last pair, dash plus 9. So dash plus dash is dash. Dash plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we got the same answer. So it is 109890. So we got the answer as 109890. So we have studied about what is a series of 1. We have studied about what is series of 9. We are having any series, we can get the same value using the changing into the series of 1 and 9. So we have finished the class 2. You check the worksheet in the description and you get the worksheet and practice more sums like this. Thank you, students.